Hey guys, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about the full Drunk Elephant hair care and body care products. So I ordered yung sample, not sample size, but yung trial kit nila which has everything in that collection. This whole kit which has everything in their collection retails for $49 here in the US pero 2,780 pesos in Sephora, Philippines. It's actually currently out of stock right now, so I don't know once this video is up kung mag-restock ba sila. Pero nakita ko to dun dati and it's still there. It just says it's out of stock. So I highly recommend this kit for people who want to try out their products because just like me, honestly, I'm not into expensive hair care nor body care products because ang hirap niya lang i-maintain kasi it's something that you definitely use every day compared to makeup na siguro every other day mo lang gagamitin, ganyan. Shampoo, we shampoo every day and sometimes I shower twice a day, sometimes not all the time kasi minsan tinatamad ako. And nauubos talaga yung shampoo. I go through shampoo and conditioner and body wash a lot. So, nung una kong nakita tong release na to, I was like, bibiling ko ba talaga yan? Parang hindi siya makatarungan and I don't think a lot of people really would spend that much on this type of products. But since they released the trial kit nga, sabi ko, okay, ito na yung perfect time to see if it's really worth it, if it's really worth the investment, and kung dapat ba talaga yung mga products na ito ay ganun kamahal yung price points nila. First and foremost, kaya ko to binili. Ang cute, meron siyang malaking suklay and nawawala yung suklay ko. Sabi ko, perfect to. Pag bagong ligo, ayan. Oh, may suklay na ako. But anyway, so it comes with a comb. Tapos, of course, the pinaka-kit, which is actually well-made. Maganda yung zipper niya, in fairness to it naman. Tapos, perfect lang siya for traveling because it's also like transparent. I know, when will we ever get to travel? I don't know din, pero cute lang siya. Tapos, cute din siya sa may vanity ko. Usually, dun ko nilalagay kasi yung, iniiwan ko dun yung Marula setting spray, yung ibang products sa vanity. Tapos, perfect siya kasi wide yung opening niya. But anyway, sobrang favorite ng sister ko at saka ako yung mga pouches na ganito. Ang dami na namin pouch pero anyway, the hair care products are in collaboration with a celebrity hairstylist, Chris McMillan. I honestly didn't know who this guy was before I did my research for this product. But anyway, his name is Chris McMillan. He's famous for being a celebrity hairstylist for like Jennifer Aniston, ganyan. Tapos, guys, can you guess how much yung isang haircut with this hairstylist? Guess lang and comment it down below. Tapos post nyo to, tapos comment nyo. Okay, nag-comment na kayo. It's $750, so 35,000 pesos for a haircut. I know, right? But anyway, this is in collaboration with him. So the claims for the hair care products are, it's sulfate-free, silicone-free, essential oils, and fragrance-free. And it's also free of dyes and drying alcohols as well. So just a little background, sulfates are what makes shampoo or like body wash, foamy, ganyan. Tapos yung silicone naman gives the products like that slip para pag sinascrub nyo siya sa hair nyo, medyo madula siya and hindi siya mahirap i-scrub. So since it's sulfate-free and silicone-free, I have a general comment on the hair care products. Hindi sila super foamy. So kung katulad nyo ako na sanay ako sa mga normal drugstore hair care products, pag nagsha-shampoo ako, hinahanap ko yung foam na yon. Tapos feeling ko kapag wala masyadong foam, hindi nalilinis yung scalp ko. Pero after watching, I think I watched like a Dr. Vicky Bello video. Parang the less creamier the physical appearance of the shampoo is, it's better for you daw. So yung mga gel-like formula, alam mo yung mga Johnson's Baby shampoo, yung ganong formula, parang gel-like siya. So sulfates also like help with the cleaning process. Like it takes out like the dead skin cells, ganyan, or like the grime from your head. So with the absence of that, I don't think it makes it less effective. Pag sobrang daming sulfate content dun sa shampoo mo, may tendency din siya na it will strip down the natural oils sa hair mo, hence leaving your scalp or your hair parang dry and frizzy, ganyan. So, yung right balance lang ng sulfate yung kailangan sa hair. As we all know naman, too much of anything is bad. So, yun yung sa sulfate. So, with silicone naman, so silicone nga gives that slip, diba? Tapos, it also helps protect your hair from like heat, ganyan, kung lagi kayo nag-hair dryer, curling iron, or flat iron. So, it protects it. Pero, kapag masyadong madami ng silicone, may tendency na maging oily yung hair mo. Tapos, it will attract like dust, yung mga pollutants sa labas. Mas madali siya nagsistick sa hair mo. So, again, too much of anything is bad. So, TLC TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. So this is an AHA and BHA acid blend designed to rapidly break down and dissolve dead skin cells. Our styling product built up while biodegradable and perfectly gentle plant cellulose exfoliating beads sweep them away. The full-size version of this product retails for $36. It's 6 fluid ounces. And the one that I have right now is 2 fluid ounces lang. I still have a lot of this. Hindi ko siya masyado nagamit because this is tailored for those who have dry scalp. So, yung mga dinadandruff, ganyan. Kasi nga, scalp scrub siya. So, it's to help with that. Although, when I did use this, it felt like a treatment mask in my opinion. Like, I like it, but I don't think I'll need it forever just because I don't really suffer from dry scalp. Pero if you're someone who does, feeling ko you'll like this because to me, it was gentle enough for me who doesn't experience that. So, feeling ko it's like a gentle solution for that, which is nice. Tapos, it also has a pH level of 3.7, which I think for haircare products, it needs not to go beyond like a pH level of 7. Ayan, ang ganda nung nozzle niya kasi it makes it easier to apply the product on your scalp. After reading lang yung description nito online, it also says na use it when you have dry scalp. So, since I don't have dry scalp, and then you use it once or twice a week. So, I computed if you use this for a full year, you'll need like 3 bottles of the full-size version of this because 1 bottle I think will last you 2 to 3 months. So, that's $100 per year. So, it's up to you, like I said, kung tingin nyo worth it mag-spend ng that much. For me, I like it. I like how my hair felt afterward. It felt deep condition, pero I don't think I need it in my life. I think that there are other leave-on conditioning masks out there that are worth a lot less than this that are also effective. And like I said, I don't need this because I don't have dry scalp. So the next product is the Cocomino Glossing Shampoo. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo. It's safe for those who have colored hair, ganyan. It also has a pH level of 5.5. So what I like about this shampoo is that a little goes a long way talaga. The only problem is when I first started using it, like I said, it's not foamy, so I did end up using a lot more. Pero after 3 weeks, it still has a little bit of product left. So, a lot of these products, nagamit ko na siya for 3 weeks. So, I really tested it out. Really wanted to see kung ano yung magagawa niya sa hair ko. So, comments on this one, it's not silky. It really doesn't foam up. So, you'll end up using more if hindi kayo sanay sa formula na ganon. Pero, like I said, mas better nga daw yun for our hair, yung hindi masyadong matapang na shampoo. I found that the fragrance of the shampoo is not too strong. So, after you've used it, wala kayong maaamoy sa hair nyo. Kasi for me, wala akong naamoy. And then, what I've noticed though, since I've been using this, I've experienced significantly less hair fall. Not totally nawala akong hair fall, but just for comparison, before, pag gumising ako sa umaga, I can see hair all over my pillow. Ngayon, pag nagigising ako, may mga 1 to 2 strands na lang din. Tapos yung sa floor ko dito sa carpet, dati, every week, kailangan, actually, every Thursday, like midweek, naglilinis na ako ng floor ko kasi puro buhok na. Ngayon, I can do it like once a week na lang kasi hindi na ganun kadami na uhuhulog kong buhok. There's still hair fall, pero it's significantly less, and that's something that makes me want to repurchase this. Pero after seeing how much I'll spend a year if I try to maintain this product in my hair care routine, it's gonna be another $100 per year because the full-size version of this is 8 ounces, which is $25. So, I anticipate me needing at least 4 bottles per year kasi nga, itong maliit na bottle, which is 2 ounces, lasted me for about 3 weeks. Feeling ko I'll need 4 bottles, which will equate to $100 per year. So, like I said, it's nice, but I feel like I'll find something that's also good, pero will make me spend a little bit less than this. So, next up is the conditioner. So, unfortunately, naubos ko na yung conditioner right this morning lang. As in, super tinaktak ko siya sa palm ko and wala na talaga siyang laman. So, conditioner naman, it has a little bit more slip because it is a conditioner, pero feeling ko kulang siya. I end up using a lot more than what I usually would. And to be fair yung conditioner, ina-apply ko lang siya sa may end, sa mga halfway pababa, like from here down. Doon ko lang siya ina-apply kasi sa end ko lang talaga siya gusto. And parang walang anything special with it. It feels like any other conditioner. I think it's good that it's silicone-free and sulfate-free, pero other than that, wala na. Like, if there was one thing in this whole collection na feeling ko, you could definitely pass, it's the conditioner. I know usually, diba, shampoo and conditioner go hand in hand with each other. Pero with this talaga parang, wala akong wala akong masabi. Sobrang wala akong masabi kasi parang it's just your ordinary conditioner. Okay, the next hair care product is something that I thought I wouldn't like. This is the Wild Marula Tangle Spray. So, ang ganda ng mist nito, as in, ay, hindi nyo pala makikita. Pero sabog yung mist niya. It reminds me of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist on my face. So, feeling ko kapag sinispray ko to sa hair ko, like, a little goes a long way because sumasabog talaga siya sa buong buhok mo. I use this after I take a shower because it's also, like I said, it's a detangling spray. Tapos, it also doubles as your hair oil na din. And I usually use a hair oil because I suffer with, like, frizziness sa hair ko because for the longest time, I've been dyeing my hair. Parang, I think this was 2 years ago, I bleached, dyed my hair, and it was such a bad decision. But anyway, so to have something that detangles it as soon as you get out of the shower, it makes it easier to comb through, and then after that, yun na din yung finishing oil nyo. And to be fair, it doesn't weigh down my hair, which I love. So that's all that I use today. Like, I use the shampoo, conditioner, and then after that, I use this. Tapos, ayan, ito yung itsura ng hair ko after. And I really like it. I don't have to flat iron it or anything like that. Maganda na yung bagsak niya. And it's less frizzy. It's not completely frizz-free, but it's definitely less frizzy. To be able to detangle my hair as soon as I get out of the shower makes it easier to comb through and less hair breakage na din siya, in my opinion. So, definitely something I plan to repurchase because I really like it. And I love the bottle because ang cute niya lang, pwede siya pang travel. So, this small bottle is 2 fluid ounces and then the full-size version is $25, which is 4 ounces. So, feeling ko, since I still have like more than halfway through of this one and it's been 3 weeks, feeling ko the full-size version will last me 3 to 4 months, hopefully. And I'll be needing siguro mga 3 bottles. So that's $75 per year. And that's a lot to maintain. Pero it's something that I actually like. And maybe I'll invest in it. I'm not sure. Pero ito yung worth it then. If there's anything in this collection that I will repurchase, this is one of them. Next up is the body cleanser. So when I first tried this body cleanser, it reminded me so much of Pedialyte. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with that. It has like a raspberry scent. It's not too strong, which I like because I don't like the scent. But I don't like because I'm so used to my Bath and Body Works na mga shower gel na after you get out of the shower, you can still smell it on your skin. You can still smell it on your skin and babango siya. This one, parang it's not moisturizing. It doesn't smell good. So I was like, I don't really need it. It's $20 for the full-size version, which is 8 ounces. You probably need like 3 bottles a year. And so you're spending like $60 a year on body wash. You think of this as like my facial cleanser. For a facial cleanser, you just need something that's very basic that's going to clean your face. And for shower gel, that's how I think about it then. So I don't need to be spending $60 if I could go to the drugstore and buy like a soap that will clean my body and then just buy a nice lotion after that will moisturize my body, that will stay on my body and I don't rinse off afterward. So that's my thinking of this lang. Parang hindi siya worth it for that price point because there's nothing revolutionary. It doesn't feel moisturizing. It doesn't smell great for me to be spending that much on a body wash. Okay, this is actually something that I've been thinking about. This is the Silly Body Lotion. So it's for moisturizing and nourishing your skin. And it has a similar fragrance as this, which is that raspberry scent. But I kid you not, when I applied this on like a dry patch that I've had for months and months now, I always apply lotion on that area, pero never siya nawawala. I applied this like 2 days in a row. And my dry patch is a lot better. It's not completely gone, but it feels a lot better than it did before. So, feeling ko this will be great for like more winter or colder months just to combat that dryness that you feel on your skin. This is also something that I would repurchase. This is the Sweet Pity Deodorant Cream. So this is actually a first of its kind. Not a first of its kind. The first time that I've experienced like a deodorant na ganito yung formula. So it's like a lotion. All you have to do is twist it up and then there, lalabas dyan. So what you can do is you can directly apply this on your underarm or you can grab a little bit and then spread it on your underarm like a lotion, and that's what I prefer. It also dries up super quickly, so it doesn't give you that sticky feeling that a lot of roll-on deodorants give you. As an antiperspirant, it's not the best because I still do sweat. Pero, for example, I'm just sitting down, watching TV. Typically, if I don't apply deodorant, I sweat a lot. So, napapawisan pa rin yung underarms ko. Pero, when I apply this, tapos nagre-relax lang ako, I don't sweat. Pero, if I did like, go out and walk around, tas jogging ako or nag-workout, papawisan pa rin ako. Pero the thing is, walang amoy. As in, walang scent at all. There's no body odor. I'm not sure if you guys can relate, pero kapag medyo hairy na tayo sa underarms, mas may tendency siya na mas mabilis mag-sweat and mabilis bumaho kasi nga may hair doon. So, nagsistick yung amoy. And for this, 3 weeks na ako hindi nagpapawax. And wala talaga siyang amoy, which is ang galing. And for something that's, you know, aluminum-free, I think it also has like natural ingredients because Drunk Elephant to. It's one of the first natural deodorants na I used during the summertime that really combated that odor that I experienced. So, sobrang ganda niya and I love the fact na it's like a cream, it's not sticky, I don't feel sticky sa underarms ko, ganyan. So, I really love it. If there's one thing that you're gonna purchase in this entire collection, it's this product. Okay, so it's $16 for 2 ounces. The one that I have right now, it's 1 fluid ounce and I still think I have a lot in this. So, probably you'll have to repurchase it even with twice a year. I still think it's worth it kasi imagine, pag pinawisan kayo, lalo na if you live in a hot and humid country like the Philippines, wala siyang amoy. So, hindi kayo mapapahiya. So, definitely worth it. It's worth the investment. Highly, highly recommend this product. So, this is the last product in this entire collection. Do I think it's worth it? I stand by what I said earlier. These are the products that I would repurchase in order. The deodorant, marula spray, the lotion, and then the shampoo. The rest, I could definitely live without these. And siguro yung TLC Happy Scrub, it's just because I don't have a dry scalp. Pero these two, parang masyado siyang mahal for what it does. And itong apat na ito, feeling ko worth it yung price tag niya. Like, the deodorant cream, super worth it. The Detangling Spray, I already buy like a hair oil and it's around this price range. So, and mas mura pa to. And for a 2-in-1 product, I think that's a good enough justification. The shampoo, like I said, I experienced less hair fall, which is something that I really struggle with. So, I'm thinking about it. I might repurchase this. And then, the lotion during like colder months for my dry skin. Kasi I do experience dry skin nga. I have like dry patches all the time. Like growing up, akala ko natutuwa ako na pag skin na scratch ko yung legs ko, nagkakaroon siya ng white marks. Ayun pala, yung meaning nun, dry yung skin ko. So, yun. Overall, I'm glad that I did purchase this because mas worth it mag-try nung maliliit muna. Tapos to see if kailangan nyo ba lahat ng products na yon or not, and to see what's worth it and what you need. I really recommend purchasing the trial kit first and see kung ano yung mga products na hiyang sa inyo and what you like. Kasi at the end of the day, you can actually reuse these. So this as your travel bag, and all of the bottles are actually refillable, so you can wash it with like soak it in hot water, ganyan. Tapos you can use it for traveling whenever we can travel again. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it very helpful in deciding whether or not you need any of these hair care or body care items. So that's it for today. Don't forget to take a break every once in a while because you deserve it. Once again, it's Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!